Hello everyone, welcome from Amalino Vlog, and today I am going to do something new for both of me and you guys. So yes, I am going to do the cooking vlog for today, and I am going to cook fried rice for myself and egg roll and sushi for myself and my family. So yeah, let's go and cook it. Okay, so guys, I have to eat before I got other two things for me and my family because there's a travel jam in the kitchen. So yeah, I have to eat it first. The coffee that my mom made for me. The coffee. So guys, I am going to prepare for sushi. And yeah, there is still the travel jam in kitchen, so but I have to prepare because I don't want to go there in rush. So guys, yeah, I cannot do the egg roll or I cannot do the sushi. I know they told me that they don't have a sticky rice and I'm out of stock in my house. So yeah, I cannot do any of them for today. So I just decided to do the crab salad for them. So yeah, let's do the crab salad. I am going to feed it to my mom, and I will ask her how it is going, how the day is going. So, and it's actually
好呢，
跟人家讲了，
马上看。
我sushi我买的 cheese 嘛吧，sushi 我买的那葫芦跟人家都有了它。
啊，
在了，老贝的谁嘛
对吧？去年嘛啦，
？cheese 嘛吧，我没有你钱，
哎，没有你们啦，
你嘛贝的。
帮忙对吧的，我嘛吧。
I got the night mark, you know. So guys, thank you all for watching my video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like my video. So bye bye, see you, have a nice day.